When you visit a farm, you see fresh vegetables, fruits, grains, and green fields. But have you ever thought, is this food safe to eat? If the water used is dirty or if harmful chemicals are sprayed, the food might look fresh but can harm your health. That is why ISO 22003 Category B exists. It helps farmers grow food in a clean, safe, and healthy way. In this video, we will explore how plant farming becomes safe with ISO standards. Now, what is ISO 22003 and what is Category B? ISO 22003 is a guide that helps in checking and certifying food safety systems. It is used by certification bodies to make sure the farm or company is following ISO 22000, which is the main food safety standard. Category B is part of ISO 22003 and covers plant farming. This includes farms growing vegetables, fruits, grains, spices, and even tea or coffee. Anything that comes from the ground and is used for food. Now we will talk about what types of farming come under Category B. Category B covers many types of farms like vegetable farms like cabbage, onions, fruit farms like mangoes, bananas, grapes, grain and cereal fields like wheat, rice, maize, spices and pulses like turmeric, lentils, tea and coffee plantations. Even organic farms and greenhouse setups are included if the produce is used for food. Whether the farm is big or small, if it is growing food crops, it falls under Category B. Now, what ISO expects from farmers under Category B? ISO wants plant farmers to follow some important food safety steps, such as use clean water for irrigation, check soil quality regularly, use only legal and approved chemicals, store pesticides separately from food items, train workers in hygiene and safety, keep records of everything from planting to harvesting, control pest and waste properly, be ready for any emergency like floods or pest attacks. ISO also expects traceability, meaning they should know where the seed came from, what was used during growth, and where the crop was sent after harvest. Now we will discuss how ISO auditors check the farms. When a farm applies for certification, ISO auditors visit the farm and check how things are managed. They will look at water source and test reports, check chemical storage areas, talk to farmers and workers, see if records are updated, watch if hygiene rules are followed, check packaging and storage area cleanliness. They may even ask questions like, when did you last spray pesticide, or is this compost tested? Auditors want to see real action, not just papers. Now we will discuss the benefits of ISO 22003 Category B certification. When a plant farm is certified, it gets many advantages. Food becomes safer and cleaner, better chances of selling in supermarkets and other countries, more customer trust, fewer food safety complaints or product rejections, farmers can earn more, workers get trained and protected, less waste and more planning. So certification is not just a badge, it is a big step towards growth and safety. Food safety does not begin in the kitchen. It begins in the soil. With clean water, safe chemicals, trained workers, and good record keeping, any farm can grow safe food. ISO 22003 Category B helps farmers understand and follow the best practices. It protects the farmer, the buyer, and the person who eats the food. Whether it is a bowl of rice or a mango shake, food that comes from an ISO certified farm gives peace of mind to everyone. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, share it with other farmers or food professionals. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.